Hey everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me / everyday makeup look, so tune in. I don't know who else do this, but I know I do it. I always prep my face, clean it, whatever, with a cleanser or toner. And today I'm using Biore's cleansing water. So I already did my brows, and I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I know you guys can't see that, but it's in the color dark brown. And I also used the Got To Be Glue gel to set them. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the Tarte concealer in light medium, which is my absolute fave. And I'm going to be using a flat brush from Morphe. Now I always use like a foundation on like top of my brows, yeah, to blend in with my skin. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox mattifying primer stick. This is really good to keep your foundation on all day. I'm gonna be mixing these two foundations by Maybelline. It's the Dewy Smooth. It's gonna be 310 Sun Beige. And the other one is by MAC, NC37. What I like to do, I like to mix my foundations on my hand. A little eyeshadow with Color Pops. Going Coconut Elliot. I really love Color Pops and their like formula. Like their eyeshadows are like always pigmented. So I think if I had to pick like what's my favorite part of like doing my makeup, I think I would pick my eyes, because I don't know, you get to like do so much with your eyes. Plus, this is what I mostly do is eye tutorials, so yeah, go check me out on Instagram. It's also FACEOF JUSTICE. We're gonna go in with this like light color and put it like in my inner corner. So next, I'm gonna contour my face with this. Go back in with my concealer and go ahead and highlight these dark circles. So now I'm gonna go back in with this Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm gonna go with the lighter shade. I'm just getting this waterline, smoking it out. Now I'm going in with this Lorac bronzer. It's really pretty. It's called Beach Betty. Using the Telescopic by L'Oreal. I'm using lashes by IMV. They're pretty full and pretty. So now I'm about to use this blush, my Milani Cosmetics. I'm about to go in with this brown lip liner by Jordana Cosmetics. It's called Coco Loco. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, London. This is the final look of my tutorial. I had so much fun doing it. I'm so glad you guys are here and checking out my video. But again, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment or two and tell me what you think. I definitely want to do something more dramatic next. Until next time.